Bumili din kayo nito guys, as in, this is really helpful to your skin, to prep your skin for your makeup. As in, pwede siya pang setting spray. This is the
Sahalagin mo yan.
Nalidara.
Ay,
Wala man ako sa ipin.
ang ipin, lagi. Promise. Believe me, girl. Believe it. Awa ko. Netflix 7. Wala siya.
Meron siyang white truffle extract, the same with the alpha, guys. The same with the alpha. You can use this to prime and to set your makeup. You can use it AM, PM, every throughout the day. You can use it. Ito talaga yung Blood to Glow. Kaya check out nyo yung Blood to Glow, guys. It makes your skin so hydrated. That's why, guys, the skin tint and the skin tint and the concealer really like has a nice finish on my skin kasi ito yung gamit ko na skin prep. This one, guys, this is the oil, ha. This is the white truffle extract. And then when you're gonna mix it, ganyan ang lalabas ng ating Blood to Glow. Okay? Kaya check out nyo yan, i-check out. Naka 280. 280 ang ating white truffle. This is really nice to prep your skin. It makes your skin so glowy, guys. And perfect na yan lagyan ng makeup nyo. Naka 280 na lang yan. Naka 280 ang ating Blood to Glow White Truffle Radiant Serum Spray. Okay? So aside from the usual, instead of the usual serum spray na gaganunin mo, like ipin mo, this one, you're just gonna, ganyan. You're just gonna spray it. You're gonna spray it, guys. This is the Radiant Glow Serum Spray.
Ang sarap ka? Ano mo ka? Sige.
Na maglalagay ako na, and then barrier strokes pa, ano, blush.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the strokes blush. Birthday to you.
Sino may birthday?
Siyempre tayo, 7th birthday na natin sa May 30.
Kayo dyan, mga cool pals. May 30 sa Las Piñas, Braden. Pabolit ng cool pals natin.
Saan ba yan ang ano eh? Strokes, gagamitin ko yung strokes na blush natin. This is the strokes blush, guys. And look at that. The color is so nice. Oh my god. This color is so nice. Okay, gaganyanin ko lang siya. Oh my god, look at that, guys. This is the strokes, ha. Strokes na blush yung gagamitin ko for today. Pero if you want a blush, a liquid blush, guys, check out nyo yung Vice Cosmetics. Naka 195 ang ating Vice Cosmetics. Isisi ko lang yung makeup ko. Like yung blush ko, guys. See? Cause I feel real when you gotta to love me harder. Lalagyan ko lang here. Love me, love me, love me. Okay, ganyan lang siya. See ya. Grabe. This is the strokes, guys. Strokes na blush. This is in the shade, I don't know what shade this is. Darling. This is in the shade Darling. O, diba? Yung makeup natin is good for summer look. But it's okay if your blush looks like this. Kasi guys, matatakpan din yan ng powder. Ipa-powder natin yan. Like, very, very na powder. Kaya if it's okay that it's so pink, guys. Lagyan ka natin sa hair. Talagyan ko here then a little bit. Diba? Look at that. So nice, guys. So nice. Again, guys, yung base na gamit ko today is from Skintific. Okay? Skintific yung gamit ko as a base. And then, look at that. Look at my face. It's so nice. Napaka-nice talaga ng Skintific as a base, guys. And then, yung blush na gamit ko is from Strokes. Strokes na blush. Pero, if ayaw nyo ng Strokes, guys, meron din naman tayong Do It All. Liquid cream blush. Liquid cream blush. And then, guys, if you're gonna use this, napakaganda talaga ng Easy. Napakaganda ng Easy. Their cream blush sticks. And then, for the powder, gagamitin ko yung bago. This is the loose powder ng Blood to Glow. Guys, this is the loose powder ng Blood to Glow and look at that. Diba? Napakaganda ng loose powder ng Blood to Glow. This is the loose powder ng Blood to Glow ha, in the basket number... Perfect cover. 10. Hindi 10. Asan na ba yun? Wala here. Okay, this is the loose powder ng Blood to Glow, guys. Nasa basket 1. This is the loose powder ng ating Blood to Glow. And as you can see, diba? Ganyan siya, te. Ganyan. This is the loose powder ng ating Blood to Glow. And then when you open it up, meron yung puff. Ganyan. Very cute yung puff niya. Diba? Very cute. Very velvety yung puff niya. And then meron kang, like, dispenser. This is a dispenser ng product. Napaka-cute. So, I'm gonna use this. Gagamitin ko yung, ano bang gagamitin ko? Gagamitin ko yung, itong brush na to. Para mag-cover. Oh my God. Look at that. This is the loose powder, ha? And then, guys, this is the difference if you're gonna put loose powder sa pagmumukha mo. Loose powder ko lang yan ang everything. Para mag-matte yung ating, yung makeup natin. O, diba? Yan, guys.